Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm taking you through today's workout that I've been doing for almost 7 years right now. Today, we are working on the shoulders. Last workout we did chest. Today, we're just kind of continuing down the body. We work on the shoulders. We have 3 different exercises. First 2 exercises, we're gonna do 3 sets per exercise, and we're gonna finish off with 1 final burnout set. As usual, we're doing light weights and resistance bands, as I assume that's what we have at home. So as always, we're using very simple equipment. So let's get started with the granddaddy of all the exercises. Unfortunately, because I am working in the basement, my basement is really low, we are going to do some shoulder overhead pressing. I know a lot of people say, this works the front of your shoulder and you hit this when you bench press, whatever. To me, I find it one of the fundamental movements, lifting things over your head. So we are going to practice that. And since we only have rubber bands today that we're using this with, we are going to do time under tension. So we're gonna power up and then let down nice and slow. Ready? 3, 2, 1, up. And then hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. And then power up and hold. Hold, nice long negatives. That's what we're concentrating on today. Ready? Up and hold. Hold, hold, hold. Up and hold. Keep it up. You do not have to be kneeling down for this. But if you are, welcome to the floor. Here we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And up. And keep going down. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Up. Keep going down, keep it up, stay with me. Up, stay with me right here. And up, stay right here. Good resistance. Power up, keep it going, come on. Let's do 5 more slow ones. Fast on the way up there, ready? 1, and hold it. Let the shoulders burn. And 2, let the shoulders burn. 3, keep it up. 4, keep going. And last 1, and 5, and hold it. Slow, slow, slow. Slow and relax. I want to stand up. We're going to relax for just about a minute or so. We're going to move on to set number 2. So if this resistance is low or light, you can combine this with your dumbbells. Maybe I'll do that on the next set. Or you can obviously increase the band, combine it with another band. Or if you have a heavier set of dumbbells than the 10 pounds that I'm using today. I do have 30s up there, but today I chose to do this just with the resistance band. Doesn't really matter. Just press over your shoulder. If the weight feels light, like I said, power up and then slowly release the weight. Always keeping it under control, even when you're powering up. So if we're gonna do this by combining the 2, I would still get down here. But now I'm gonna try to add some dumbbells to this exercise. Get it right, make sure you get a good grip. Make sure you get a good grip, unlike Paul over here. And here we go, ready? 3, 2, 1, up and down. And I don't have a good grip on this. Like I said, practice makes perfect on this. It's kind of hard to know where to be at. See how that works? There we go. Ready? Up and slow on the way down. And up and slow on the way down. Obviously, you don't have to do this. I just want to show you guys that there are options for doing this. Up and down. Up and slow. Fight it, fight it, fight it, fight it, fight it. I want to move over a little bit, give my bend a little more room on my right side. Up and fight it. Definitely heavier. I got 5 more of me. Ready? 1, 2. This is a lot tougher. 3. 2 more. Up. Slow on the way down. And 1 more. Up. and slow on the way down. And we are done with this one, so take another break. That felt much better as far as resistance goes. The band by itself seemed a little bit light. So like I said, combine the two, try things out, trial and error is the best way you're gonna learn how to do any of these properly. And properly meaning whatever works for you. I don't know how strong you are. I don't know what equipment you have. You have to figure it out. I just like following the movements the best way to work for you. There's no good or bad exercises. Some are better for one person, some people can't handle them. It's as simple as that. I am 55. Some exercises I can't do anymore, and some I can still do, so I do the ones that work for me. And that's kind of what I want you to always be trying. So on this one, I'm gonna not use the dumbbells anymore. That wasn't very comfortable. So one didn't work for me. I just wanna show you guys that it's an option. Just go in rubber band. Ready? 3, 2, 1, up. Slow on the way down. There we go. And up. And slow on the way down. Keep going. And slow down. And up. And slow down. Keep it up. And down. And up. And then back down. And up. Keep going. And down. Up. Keep it up. Fight the resistance on the way down. No matter what kind of resistance you're using, I want you to fight it and slow it down. And up. Keep going. I got 5 more. You guys ready? 1, 5 good ones. Let it burn. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And down, and that's it. Well, that takes care of what I consider the most fundamental shoulder movement. And it might not build the biggest shoulder muscles, but it involves the muscles that we use all the time to pick things up over our head. There's almost not a day in any of our lives that we do not kind of put something on the shelf, right? And this is the movement that help you do that. And that's the kind of movements we're trying to follow here at Fit After 50. It's not about building big muscles all the time. It's about being functional and functioning like we did maybe when we were 25. That's what we're after. All right. So now, having said that, the other movement that everybody talks about is, people want wider shoulders, right? And the fundamental movement doesn't get you the width that you might be looking for in your shoulders. The movement that does that is a lateral raise. So that's our next exercise. So you're gonna grab your weight, 10 pounds for me. Whatever weight works for you. 10 pounds is not too light, not too heavy, it's just about right to get maybe 12 to 15 repetitions. So key here is not to shrug up and lift the weight, but keep your shoulders down and just lift them to the side with your thumbs pointing towards the floor, not up like this. If you vary a little bit, it's okay, not the end of the world, all right? You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Up and slow on the way down. Always slow. Up and fight that way on the way down. Fight it as much as you can. I am. You should be too. 1, 2, 3, and up. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. This is gonna end quickly. I'm gonna call 5 more right here. Ready? 1. Keep going with me. 2. Keep going with me. 3 more. 1. Fight it. Beautiful. 2. Fight it. Awesome. And 1 more. And fight it. And on the way down, put the weights down. That's set number 1. We have 2 more. There we go. 2 more sets to go. And we're just gonna continue doing what we're doing up until our final burnout exercise. Very similar we did the chest. With the chest, we did push-ups. If you guys remember, if you were here. If not, go check that video out. I'll leave the link to that video right above my head right now. And you can check out the push-up video or the chest video with the push-up burner. All right, so we got time under tension. Another way to make the exercise more difficult is take a little bit less of a rest time, I should say. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, up and down and up and then down. Keep going and down, up and then down, up, down, up and down, up, down. Keep it up and down. Move it up. I'm gonna 5 more. It's gonna be 5 tough ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep it going. 2 more. 1. Last 1, 2. Oh yeah, definitely feeling that one. Whoo yeah. Good burn everybody. 1 more set, 2 more sets left in this entire workout, and the shoulders are done. Repeat this, like the other exercise, like with the chest. Repeat this twice a week. You can do this on chest day, you can do this on any other day. You can do chest to back. A lot of people like working the opposing muscles, so they'll do chest, back, maybe then biceps and triceps, and on the last day you might do legs and shoulders. However works for you, just try not to work consecutive muscles on consecutive days. If you're working really hard, you want to give them a day to recover. Simple as that. Breaks over. Last final set of lateral raises. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, up. Nice and easy on the way down. Ready? Go up. Nice and easy on the way down. Beautiful. Keep going. And up. And then down. Keep it up. I'm going 5 right now because I'm tired. This is rough today. 1. Easy. 2. And if 5 seems easy, I'll just slow that one way down to make it burn. 3. 4. And 1 more. Ready? 5. And slow it down, slow it down, slow it down if it's too easy. And that's all I got. All right. Fundamentally, the shoulders are covered, right? We did the front, we did the sides, we got strength, we got the width of the shoulders going. Now we're just gonna drop down on the ground and do a very simple exercise. This is great for shoulder health and mobility. I want you to drop down, no weights required, face down, and you're just gonna lift your arms off the ground as many times as we can. Sorry if the microphone gets a little jacked up over here, but my mouth is gonna be and my chin are gonna be really close to the microphone as I put my face down. You guys ready to go? You can keep your thumbs up and just gonna point them towards the ceiling. Down and then push up and down, up, keep going. Keep it up. Push up, hold, and down. Keep going. And down, up, hold, and down, and down, and down. Let's do 5 more, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, 5, and down. And that's it. So that was our simple home shoulder workout. Obviously, there are many more shoulder exercises. These are the ones that I like doing. That third one, there's different variations. You can keep your arms to the side, straight over your head, or on a 45-degree angle. They will all work with slightly different muscles, but the fundamental movements were the overhead shoulder press and the lateral raise, and we got those covered. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. This is our basement. Please don't forget, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. For a long time right now, we have not missed an upload. Thanks for joining me for our shoulder workout, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.